You will need 2 eggs, 3 bananas. It would be better if they're overripe, as the browner it is, the sweeter they will be. 1 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of hot water, and half a cup of chopped walnuts or any other dry fruits you would like to add to your banana bread. Start by preheating your oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Then lightly grease the pan that you're going to be using to bake the banana bread. Start by peeling the bananas, put them into a bowl and mash them up. After you've done that, set it to the side, take a big bowl and add in the vegetable oil. Next, you can start by adding in the honey and then stir both the ingredients together. After you've done that, you can add in the eggs and then mix them thoroughly with the other ingredients. Then you can add in the banana that you had mashed up earlier. And then mix them together. After that, you can add in the vanilla extract. And also add in the whole wheat flour. And then mix them all thoroughly together. Then add in the salt and mix it in. Then let it sit on the side whilst you mix in the hot water with the baking powder. Stir them in well together. Then add it to the bowl with the other ingredients. And mix them all in. After that, you can add in chopped walnuts or any other dry fruits you would like to add in. And stir it well. Then you can put it into your greased pan and make sure it is evenly spread out and leveled up. Then you can put it into your preheated oven for about 60 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Then let it cool down for a bit, and there you have it, your banana bread with no artificial sugar. Thank you so much for watching!